Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I just wanted to share with you something I just found out. I don't know if you guys knew about it or not, but so say there was an issue with the car or something wasn't working correctly. You check the fuse, right? And most people know that the fuse box is located in the engine compartment here. So I'll show you here. So it's right over here behind the air intake system. That rectangular box right here has these little pins on it. You just clamp them down and this thing slides right up. And there's the fuses. But did you know that there's a secondary spot for fuses? Well, let me show you if you guys didn't know where it was. Just in case like something goes wrong, you'll know that there's multiple spots and not just this one here. So it's actually located here in the trunk. It's on the left side here. If you notice this little panel, it's right behind here. You just pry this thing out of the carpet. And right there's more fuses. If you don't know what these are, it tells you here on the cover what they belong to. I'll see if I can get it where there's not a glare. It'd be hard to see. But you see what these are? Some of the stuff for the power seat, rear defroster. They even have one for the active exhaust valve. So that would be the Type S. This won't have that. Passenger seat, power seat. So if something didn't work right, like the power seat, it would be back here that you want to check, not under the engine compartment. So I didn't know that. I didn't know there was a secondary fuse spot back here. I knew there was always one in the front, but something neat. Like I said, if something happens with your car and you're a do-it-yourselfer, definitely don't forget about these ones back here. Sometimes you'll be looking under the hood and not knowing like exactly where the fuse is, can't find it. Well, they're back here, the secondary spot for them. So definitely check both if you have an issue. Like I said, I didn't know that, but thought it was pretty neat when I discovered. So let me know in the comment section if you guys know that. Because I didn't. I just was wondering what was behind that panel and took it off and saw more fuses. So wanted to share that with you guys. Maybe it'll help you out if you guys have an issue. And that way I know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to fix your car and you just can't find the right thing to fix on it. But maybe that'll help. So I appreciate it. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.